Happy New Year, everyone. As we step into a brand new year, there's no better way to start than by looking at something that represents power, prestige, and the absolute peak of luxury on wheels. Today, we're diving into what may be the most presidential luxury motorhome of 2026, a rolling symbol of authority, comfort, and unmatched engineering that feels less like an RV and more like a mobile world leader's residence. From the very first glance, this motorhome commands respect. The exterior is massive, bold, and intentionally imposing, with clean armored lines, refined chrome accents, and a stance that feels closer to a state convoy vehicle than a recreational camper. Every surface looks purposeful, from the reinforced body panels to the aerodynamic contours designed for stability at high speeds. This is the kind of motorhome that doesn't arrive quietly, it makes a statement before the door even opens. Step inside, and the atmosphere changes instantly. You're welcomed into a world of calm authority and refined luxury. The interior design blends presidential elegance with modern minimalism, using premium leathers, handcrafted wood veneers, brushed metal details, and soft ambient lighting throughout. The living lounge feels more like a diplomatic meeting room than an RV, with plush seating, expansive legroom, and smart glass windows that can shift from clear to private at the touch of a button. Moving deeper inside, the attention to detail becomes even more impressive. The kitchen is fully executive grade, featuring silent close cabinetry, integrated induction cooking, premium refrigeration, and enough storage to support long-distance travel without resupply. Every appliance is hidden seamlessly, keeping the space clean, uncluttered, and dignified. This is luxury designed for people who value discretion as much as comfort. The bedroom area is nothing short of extraordinary. Designed as a private presidential suite, it offers a king-sized bed with hotel-quality mattress support, sound insulation, and climate zoning for perfect sleep in any environment. The walls are softly padded for acoustic control, and subtle lighting creates a calm, secure atmosphere, whether parked in the city or deep in remote terrain. It's a space built for rest, recovery, and absolute privacy. The bathroom takes inspiration from high-end hotel spas. Expect a rainfall shower, premium fixtures, heated flooring, and smart water management systems that maintain comfort even when fully off-grid. Everything feels solid, refined, and built to last, reinforcing the idea that this motorhome isn't just luxurious, it's engineered for serious use. Underneath all that elegance lies serious power. This presidential motorhome is built on a heavy-duty platform with a high-output engine designed for smooth, confident cruising rather than aggressive performance. Advanced suspension systems keep the ride stable and composed, while intelligent traction control ensures it remains capable across highways, mountain roads, and secure off-road routes. It moves with authority, not urgency, exactly as it should. Technology plays a major role here. The cockpit feels more like an aircraft control center, with digital displays, advanced navigation, 360-degree camera systems, and driver assist features that reduce fatigue on long journeys. Security-focused tech, including reinforced doors, surveillance monitoring, and controlled access systems, further emphasizes its presidential character. If this review helped you experience what the future of ultra-luxury motorhome travel really feels like, make sure to hit the like button, it supports the channel more than you might think.